telling Kunshak that I love the Tibetan culture, love the food, love the people. I've been blessed meeting the amazing, divine Dalai Lama more than 4 or 5 times I've met him. I've taken his blessings. He's blessed me, my family. I've worked with him in the inter-youth conference in terms of bringing in interfaith with the youth, working with them on the interfaith conference. And I always wanted to go to Tibet. It's a dream to go to Tibet and see the country, experience the culture. We go a little bit to maybe Bhutan, Tawang. We see a little bit of the Indo-Tibetan culture, but to see the pure Tibetan culture, go to Lhasa, visit the monasteries, experience that beautiful country, that's a dream for me and my family, and I hope we can come there soon.